bronzer all over my boob. Ugh, it's fine. Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, I am not at home right now. I am currently on vacation in Las Vegas. I'm at the bathroom in our room at Mandalay Bay, and I thought I would do a little quick get ready with me video. This is gonna be kind of casual. It was like a last minute decision to film this, but I thought that I would show you guys how I get ready for a pool day in this super, super hot heat. It's gonna be 104 degrees today. So I need to wear water and melt proof makeup. So I thought you guys might be interested in seeing that. I'm also gonna be touching up my hair. I did the beachy crimped summer waves last night. I slept on them. So I just need to touch them up. It usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes. It's super, super quick. But if you are new here, welcome. My name's Sarah. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Hit your notifications button so you get notified of any time I make a new video, which is usually every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And of course, make sure to follow me on social media. I'm posting tons of pictures from me in Vegas and tons of stories. So if you want to see what I was up to, make sure to follow me. All of my handles will be linked right over here. Okay, so we went out last night, but we didn't like go hard or anything, so I'm fine. This with my hair though is not. So I'm going to touch up my hair really quick first. I'm actually gonna straighten that out because that's getting a little cray. And I'm really only going to focus on the top layers when I touch up this hairstyle. And I'm not gonna go through how to do this because you all already saw it in my Summer Beachy Waves hair tutorial, but if you are new here or if you just missed that video, I'll have it linked somewhere on the screen and it'll be linked in the description bar down below as well. But this is the fast version. I'm not separating my hair. I'm just kind of grabbing pieces and quickly crimping them. But I woke up this morning and Trevor was gone. I'm pretty positive he's downstairs gambling, which I'm jealous. I want to be gambling right now, but I gotta get ready. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to makeup. So I do already have my moisturizer and everything on. I'm going to start out first with the Milk Blur Stick, just because I'm not gonna be wearing like a full face, so I wanna make sure that my skin is looking as airbrushed on the bottom as possible. I always have to work around my nose ring when I do this. Next, I'm gonna go in with some MAC Strobe Cream, and I am going to focus this more on the higher points of my face where I just want a little bit of luminosity. I love how pretty and dewy this stuff makes my skin look. It just looks so healthy whenever I use this. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the IT Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Cream. This does have SPF in it, which is why I wanna use it right now since we are gonna head to the pool. And the color that I use for reference is medium tan. I'm actually gonna pin my hair back for this really quick. There you go. And I'm just gonna take it on my fingers and just rub it in. Oh, I think he's back.
Stinker?
Hi, babe. I really like this one because it's like nice and lightweight, but it still gives a decent amount of coverage. I had to close the door, so sorry the lighting sucks now. Trevor's being a dick. You wanna come in here? Hi. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and this one is in Natural Beige. I'm gonna put on my under eyes, and then I'm just gonna kind of spot conceal since I am wearing a CC cream. Even though that one gives good coverage, it still isn't as flawless as a foundation would be, so. You can hit any points with any redness and anywhere I have a blemish. And down my nose. Okay, then I'm gonna set my concealer with the RCMA powder, but as opposed to only using it to set my under eyes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and set my whole face with it because it's gonna be lighter than using my powder foundation. Next, I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Okay, and we're back. My camera died, and then Trevor needs to take the ice bucket, which is currently propping my camera up, so. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my eyes. I'm gonna go into my Boho palette from Ofra, and taking Country Road here, I'm gonna kind of wash that all over my lid. And this is just gonna be super, super simple. Then I'm gonna take the color above it that is simply titled Brown. Ofra killing it with the names. I'm just gonna pop this in my crease. And then moving on to my lower lash line, I am going to combine both of those colors and just smoke out my lower lash line. Next, I'm just gonna tightline my eyes just a little bit. And then going back into the Ofra palette, I am gonna take Bliss and I'm just gonna pop it in my inner corner. And taking some e.l.f. Wow Brow, I'm just gonna clean up my brows just a little bit. And then I am going to go in with my e.l.f. multi-use stick. This one is in Luminous Berry. I'm just gonna pop it on the apples of my cheeks. Wow, that is pigmented. And I'm just gonna blend it out just with my fingers. Taking some excess across the nose. This is so much more pigmented than I anticipated it being. I'm gonna take a brush and just help that blend a little bit better. All right, and then I am gonna go ahead and use this for my lips as well. Okay, and then for my highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow. It's their loose highlighting powder. Taking a fan brush for this one. Just gonna highlight the very highest points. So pretty. And I'm also going to use this to give my shoulder bones a little bit of a highlight. Not my shoulder bones, my shoulders. The hell? Right, and on my collarbones. And finally, mascara. And I am going to apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara on what little lashes I have. Not wearing falsies at the pool for obvious reasons. They will get washed away super fast. I always go back and forth on if I want lash extensions, but to be honest, I just can't stand the look of when they are starting to grow out and you can see the ends of them, like the little roots of them. It's just not for me, honestly. But if there was like a way to fix that problem, I would totally be down for lash extensions. And then for my bottom lash line, obviously I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. Good. I got bronzer all over my boob. It's fine. Got a little bit overzealous with my lower lash mascara. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and clean up any spots that got hit with the mascara wand that I didn't want. All right, and lastly, you're gonna go ahead and set it. Okay, and that was it for my easy, waterproof, sweat-proof makeup routine. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.